Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we will make a special salmon rillette. So let's get to it. First, we start by cleaning and cutting a white onion. We do the same with the red pepper. Note that we will use a food processor to get it thinly sliced. You can do it by hand if you want. Next, we slice some green and black olives for extra flavor. When done, we finally chop some fresh parsley. As I mentioned earlier, we will use a food processor to prepare the onions and the pepper. It is easier and you get the best results. Meanwhile, in a pan on medium heat, we add some butter. If you want the exact amount, let us know in the comments below. When the butter is completely melted, we add the salmon and we season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. We sear it with the lid on because we want the steam to cook the salmon. We will not flip it. We cook it just on one side. We take it off the heat when the internal temperature of the salmon is at roughly 75 degrees Celsius. Next, we take off the skin of the salmon and we bake it up in smaller chunks. We continue by squeezing some lemon juice. A good amount of butter, the onions and the pepper, the cooking cream, the sliced olives and the fresh parsley. We give it a good mix and we let it rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You can eat it with toast or fresh bread, and let me tell you that it is absolutely amazing. We simply love salmon. And this is an amazing way to prepare it. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, if you like our content, then hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.